Is it loud? Is it going to be loud?
Okay, I hope this is going to work.
Stay back, Jacob, in case it backfires and we all blow up.
Okay, the fuse should be lit right now.
Yeah, but...
Okay, there it goes.
Uh-oh.
Good.
Boom!
What's it supposed to do?
Holy shit!
Woo!
What's the other one, Dave?
You'll see.
Well, you'll see. There, see, I didn't have them tied real close together because I just wanted to see if these fuses were going to light off each other.
One's going? Come on,
Yep.
why are you so scared? I'm just asking a question.
Well, I definitely need to time it faster.
I'm thinking of that one just
Do
lit.
you have to buy more of those?
Yeah, I'm going to have a lot more. I'm just experimenting with the fuse to make sure they'll tie
That
together.
fuse looks like it's like going nowhere.
There it goes.
Oh, there it goes.
Okay, it just broke off. See?
Yeah. Oh, what do you mean it broke off?
Oh! Yeah! Fireworks! Oh my God! Wow! Awesome! Yes! That is awesome! Amazing! I love it!
This is going to work great.